What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you would be setting a trap just in case for some reason you have like squirrels or a rat or something like that, or possibly even like a possum or raccoons or something like that in your house that you're trying to capture. This trap right here is good for like squirrels or rats or something like that. And of course, if you have like a bigger rodent like a possum or raccoon or something, you want a bigger one. But to set these traps right here, the first thing you want to do is you'll have these little handles right here. You want to flip these handles right here up like that. You want to make sure these handles are sitting on the outside. Same thing on both sides. Set them to the outside. Then next what you want to do is you want to take this lever right here and press these down. You'll have like a little U part right here on one side of it. You want to press this one down and let that set. You see how this one is a straight one. It's setting up underneath this little U part like that. So you want to press it down like that. But also before you even do that, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and take, like, say your food. Say you're going to use a biscuit. I'm using a rock for an example. A biscuit or whatever you want to use. You want to take that and you want to set that on the middle of a tray right here. Set that on the middle of that tray. Just like that. Kind of set it on there. See how it's sitting on there like that? So you want to have it like that. Then you want to press down like this. Then once you do that, what you want to do is, you see a little piece right here. You kind of want to just hook this piece in front of that. The little U part, you just want to kind of hook it right behind there. Kind of takes a second to get a hold to it, to where it just kind of sets against each other like that. And if you can see now, give you a close-up, how it's hooked. You see what it did? Basically, you just have that little piece right there hooked up against that, right there in the middle right there. Then once you've done that, what you want to do now, see how it is? It's just this piece is behind that piece right there, just to hold. All you're doing is just holding that up. So now if you have it like that, what you can see is that both of your doors are open. Now, next thing you want to do, once you have that, is make sure that you have these right here turned up now, just like that on this side. So you have both of these turned up, just like that. So long as they're both, it doesn't have to actually set down like that. As long as it's up this way, facing toward the inside of it, you want to have that. And of course now, hopefully if your food fell off, you can kind of reach inside of here now and very, very gently set like your food right on the middle like that. So you can see now how I have the food set in the middle. So what happens now is when the rat comes in there or whatever comes in there and it's going to touch that plate, it's going to slam the door shut, and these hooks right here that you did actually lock the doors down so it can't get back. I'm going to show you it working. Alright, so I'm going to take this stick right here. That's so you can see it. So when the rat comes in or squirrel, whatever, and it steps on this plate, it triggers it. See how I triggered it and both ends fail. And that's why you want to have these two pieces right here down. Because if you can see what happened is these fall up underneath there and that stops it from being able to push back out pretty much. So that's the way that you'll be setting a trap to catch a squirrel or a rat or something like that. Sometimes you may want to use something like this if you're having a problem. If you're having a problem with, say, the rats, you're trying to catch it with a trap and it's not catching it or it won't take the food, or you just don't want to kill it, you want to kind of capture it if it's a squirrel or something like that and take it and release it. If you may actually want to use a trap to catch it, and you could take it somewhere, wherever you choose to, and let it go. But I wouldn't say let it go anywhere in the city limits if you live in a city or somewhere where it can, you know, get back in somebody else's house. All right, folks, once again, this is how you'll be setting a trap to catch a rat, squirrel, anything like that, as well as the bigger ones if you want to set for like a raccoon or a possum or one of those type of animals. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.